Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing video for a work tote I purchased for myself. I have my anniversary at work every year in September, and so I decided to splurge just a little bit and purchase a work tote that I can carry all my essentials in. I would show you the work tote I'm using right now, but it's a little bit embarrassing. It's basically just a canvas bag, and I've had a hard time just not just fitting everything into it, but I have my planner and my bottled water and my coffee mug in there, and I'm just always nervous about them tipping over. And this particular bag, which you can probably already tell by the title, it's from Dagne Dover. This particular bag has a lot of sections to keep everything organized and in its place. And so I'm super excited to be organized. I love organizing things. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing. I first heard about Dagne Dover on Ashley TIA's video. Is it Makeup TIA or is it Ashley TIA? I will link her channel down below. A few years ago, maybe like 2 years ago, she did a video about her work tote, and I thought it looked so nice. It's pricier, but I just couldn't ever pull the trigger and order it because I just wasn't sure if it would be worth the money. And sometime this year, she did a video updating her work tote essentials bag, and she really liked it, and she showed even more that she keeps in it. So it just kind of made me think I need to just go ahead and purchase it. If I get it and don't like it, of course I have a return policy. I don't think I'm gonna be returning it after, unboxing it, but I just thought I should just treat myself this once and go ahead and get it. So, especially since I've been thinking about it for a couple years. The box is huge. So it comes in a huge box like this, Dagne Dover. And I'm gonna have to stretch over here and open it up. So you get a little information kind of packet right there about the bag. And then it comes in a really cute neutral camo style dust bag. I doubt this thing is going to be in the dust bag all the time, but I will definitely keep it. So the size that I went with was the Classic Tote. It looks the same on both sides, and I'm just gonna basically rip into it. I decided to go with black. I did like some of the other colors that they offer, but black just goes with everything. And I do wear a lot of black. I pretty much only wear black work bands, and I have just a lot of black work wardrobe essentials that I wear. So this is gonna be really handy. I saw that they have like a smaller size, but I think that size would have been too small for me. I was a little bit worried that this size would be too big because I don't have a laptop that I have to carry to work, because I don't use my laptop for work. But if I ever need to carry my laptop anywhere, like if we're traveling, then this would definitely be a really nice option. So that is what it looks like with the strap covers removed. And it has an option for like a longer strap, and those are the hooks for the longer straps. One thing that I really like is that these have fold down handles. I assume that they'll probably loosen up as I use it, but if you are commuting or you need this to be tucked away when you're at work, then you don't have the straps flapping around. They will fold down. Has a nice big zipper. And of course, it is stuffed full of stuffing. So right up on top, I think this is the longer strap. Actually, no, I said it was a longer strap. It's not. This is the key holder, so you can put your work keys on that, which is going to be really great for me. Dagne Dover is printed on this key strap. Also, all of the hardware is like a brushed matte gold, which I really like. I'm not a fan of shiny gold hardware on purses. We'll just take all the stuffing. I have all of the stuffing out, and I'm gonna try to angle the camera so I can show you what the inside looks like. Okay, since it's black, I'm hoping that you're able to see what it looks like. I might have to blow out the white balance for a second. Okay. So right here on this side, we have a magnetic closure padded pocket. And this also has, that's the big padded pocket. And then on the outside of that padded pocket is like a flat pocket. On here we have 3 sections for pens or a stylus. Let me see if I can, there we go. A pen or a stylus could fit in those. Also, there's a spot for a cell phone and business cards. This section is all open right here except for this cup holder, which is essential for me. And it is attached by a button. So I think you could take it out if you don't need it. I don't see another placement option for that. Then we also have a flat envelope pocket back here with a zip, and then then another flat pocket right here. I guess it doesn't have a long strap. I really thought it came with a long strap. I guess it doesn't, which is fine because these the shoulder straps are long enough for me. But yeah, that is the inside. I'll turn it around so you can see it from the other angle. That way you can see that magnetic closure pocket on this side, and cell phone, business cards, and then pens or styluses. Styli? I don't know. And that is the flat pocket that's kind of on the outside of the padded pocket. So this is super nice. I love this. It is going to be perfect for carrying everything to work. I will also show you how big it looks on. Let me back this chair up. I am 5'3", and this hits, let's see, it hits right at my hips. Let me show you how far down it goes. And I feel like I have more than enough room right here to kind of undo a strap or just hold it like that. I am honestly confused by these now because I thought it came with a long strap. But I don't think that this is something that would feel comfortable as like a crossbody. Maybe there is an option to purchase a long strap on the website, or maybe this is just like a D for Dagne Dover. I'm not sure. But it's either way, it's super nice, and I don't think I would use it as a crossbody if it had that option. But it's super comfortable. And I apologize for saying super way too many times. I've been stuck in the house for a week. So my mind has almost become mush. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I was really excited to share it with you, and I also plan on doing an unboxing for my birthday bag this year. So I just really like bag unboxing videos, and so I wanted to film one of my own. And if you have any questions about the tote, please let me know down below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. So with that, I thank you for watching this video, and I hope you stay tuned for my next one. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.